Take a look at this cruiser here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Cool car with a great story, known history. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado, 3-owner car, original miles. So the first owner of this car bought it back in 1975, brand new. He actually then sold it to a friend of his who kept it for quite some time. That friend actually sold it to his neighbor, and that is the current consignor of this vehicle, 3-owner car, a little over 40,000 documented original miles. We're going to get to the interior, check that out in a bit, start it up, let's hear it run. Speaking of hearing it run, underneath the hood, 500 cubic inch Cadillac V8, quadrajet 4-barrel on it, automatic transmission, of course front wheel drive car. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note the AC is in-op, heat blows hot, blower fan works. We'll just need a little TLC. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the front of this, and best of all, that Cadillac hood ornament. Still intact, that were so often removed without the owner's knowledge, if you know what I'm saying. Cotillion white exterior. Interior, trim code 11D. It's actually black and white mosaic cloth with white leather, and it is a cool look because it's got mid-70s written all over it. Again, we're going to get to that interior in just a little bit. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see those filler panels up front. Great shape. Those have been replaced. It's riding on steel wheels, correct Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radials. Tech did note tires by age should probably be replaced. And I mentioned that there's documented miles on this. Second owner kept good track of service and when he did it, as far as oil changes, and that is with the car also, as well as the original invoice typed up at the Cadillac dealership back in 1975. I'm going to get into that in a little bit too, tell you some options on this car and some things about it that I think are awful cool. You can see this paint has a nice shine to it. There's a spot on the driver's door, and I'll point that out when we get around there. Some touch-up paint, but overall, this car, it has that survivor feel to it, looking very much like it would have back in 1975. On the invoice from the dealer, it was actually written up with a Cabriolet Astro package, which the Cabriolet black vinyl roof, and then there it is, that power Astro roof or sunroof, and that would have been installed by ASC. Works great. Look at that AM FM cassette player. Radio is working, as well as that cassette player. So some of the factory options on this car that you're going to see on that invoice is, again, that AM FM cassette player, the Cabriolet Astro package, tilt telescopic steering wheel, remote controlled trunk, so it'd have a button in the glove box to pop the trunk, carpeted rubber floor mats. Wait till you see those. We're going to see those when we check out the interior. Rear window defog, cruise control, and remote right mirror. Remember, not all the cars had the rear view mirrors on both sides. There you can see it is on this one also. And you can see how nice and straight these panels are. Front to rear down that passenger side, filler panel in the back. All intact. And you can see the chrome in the rear bumper. Nice shape. All right, something cool about this car, factory installed. So right here you have the factory taillights, factory installed. But what the dealer did is they actually took and put a pulsating safety brake light in there, and that is working. And again, dealer installed. Another dealer installed option back in the day would have been the Z-Bar, and that would have been the rust inhibitor. I can show you where it has that on it. Just some cool nostalgic stuff from 1975. This is the original Cadillac dealer's emblem, would have been installed back in 1975 before it left the showroom floor. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check them out. Again, you'll see it from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. The part that I wanted to mention about the door touch-up is right here. But other than that, really the paint, it has a nice shine to it. There's some spots where you can kind of see it shows its age a little bit, but again, it's not bad. It still has a very nice shine to it. Be a fun car to take out to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Vinyl roof in nice shape. And with that rust inhibitor, look at the bottom sides of the doors with the Z-Bart right here. And you can see these plugs is where they would have put the wand in and sprayed it around to the inside of the doors, as well as these lower rockers. So this car is still in very nice condition. If you want a solid 75 Eldorado, again, look at those underside picks. All right, so your modern amenities: power windows, power locks, power seat, of course, bench seat. Here's that cloth and leather seat combination I was talking about. Again, trim code, what, 11D was it? Mosaic, black and white cloth, or black and white mosaic cloth with the white leather. And that appears to be original, as well as the door panels. There's that tilt column, telescopic wheel. Power antenna works. Notice the clock is working. Mentioned the rubber carpeted floor mats. There's the originals. Not much wear on those at all. Top of that dash, great shape. You can tell this car was stored indoors. Let's fire it up. So there's your exact miles, 45,755. You can hear that stereo playing. There's AM, FM. And how about a little bit of Neil Diamond? You are the sun I am. Just too cool. There's no doubt about that. In this glove box, so there's owner's manual, like I said, a copy of that invoice with it, and then what we did find is right in here is where those service records, mostly from the second owner, documenting when he changed the oil, the actual miles on it. There's no readings in there above the 45,000 when the third owner picked it up, in the 40 range somewhere. Fuel gauge is working. Again, I mentioned that clock working. You'll be able to see the seconds spin around there, 30 to 40 right there. As far as the power roof, I want to show you that closing also. That is a tinted glass. That power antenna out there. Show it going up if you can see that. And we can also take it back down. And this, oh, let's go all the way. Since we're doing it, show it going all the way down. There you go. And this thing purrs. Door closes nicely, and they don't sound like that anymore. Remember, 500 cubic inches, that 4-barrel on it. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to get this hood popped, and it's going to take me 2 hands. I'm going to pause this a second and check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around, check out all the still pictures, like I said, and stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think I have a pretty good idea how this one's going to drive out. All right, get a good look at the underside of the hood, hood liner intact. And here it is. So some of the service things that have been done to this recently also, get into that. It does have a newer fuel pump, battery, front calipers. That would explain why the brakes are 100% or like new in the front, 40% in the rear. Also has new rear wheel cylinder, radiator, alternator, plugs, wires, distributor cap, and coil. And you can also see the AC has been converted with those fittings on there. They probably will need to be recharged, and that is more than likely what it's going to take for the AC. There's also a battery disconnect here. I noticed the battery's from 2025, so also new battery. And as you can see, just purring away. It's 500 cubic inches. Couple things the technician did note. I mentioned the tires earlier, just due to age. Also, bottom ball joints and muffler would need attention sometime in the near future, sooner than later. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado, 3-owner car, actual miles. Any questions, call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. The condition of the dash and the seats and the steering wheel are just very, very nice. The design on the seats, the checkered pattern, really stands out. The wood grain, it's a nice looking car. I have a glass sunroof over my head. It's an automatic on the column, of course, which makes it easy to drive for anybody. The wipers work on this car. The radio is working as well. The clock is counting the seconds up here. Factory horn is working. Really beautiful condition inside and out in this car. Power multi-position, adjustable seats, power windows, of course. That luxurious Cadillac ride. The height of the hood ornaments, well, not the beautiful 40s hood ornaments, but the Cadillac emblem hood ornaments in the 70s. You had to have that right out in front. And of course, this car's no different. The brakes are nice and smooth. Come to a complete stop because we've got some traffic. Very smooth running car. Accelerates well. Corners very luxuriously. Easy to steer. Great power steering. Let's kick it down. The kickdown is working on the automatic transmission. And this car cruises down the road very effortlessly. Take a look at all the pictures of this beautiful Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.